Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rekha's Rasoi where we taste the flavors. Today I'm going to make jaggery paratha or good paratha as we call it in Hindi. It's an ideal snack for kids and you can even serve it as dessert after a wholesome meal. And with the numerous benefits of jaggery, it's a must try. And I can guarantee you that it will be one of the most popular snack at home. So chale rasoi mein. Now we'll start preparing the dough for a good paratha or jaggery paratha. I've taken 1 cup of wheat flour or atta. Now you can put add in half teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Take 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. And just mix all these together. And now we'll add in the water. Be careful, you should add only little quantity of water. We'll net the dough. Now our dough is ready and it's come out soft. See. Now we'll keep this aside for 15 minutes. We'll cover it and keep it. In the meantime, we'll prepare the masala for our paratha. I've taken 200 grams of jaggery. I've powdered it. You can even blend it in the mixie or grate it or take the scraper and scrap it. However you choose to do it. Only that it should be powdered finely. There should not be any lumps. This jaggery is very soft, so I can just crush it like this. Now into the jaggery goes the sesame seeds. I have taken 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it all a mix. If you want, you can even add in coconut, grated coconut. It enhances the taste, it adds to the taste, flavor, and this is a very healthy sweet dish for those of you who have got sweet tooth, and it's very good in winter seasons. Now we'll keep this aside. Our filling for the paratha is ready. And now we'll start making a jaggery paratha or good paratha. Now we'll begin making the paratha. You can take however big paratha you want to make, or you want to make small paratha, it's up to you. Because it's a sweet paratha, I am making only a small. After your dinner, if you all want to eat, you all can have this. You can put a little bit of ghee. You can spread the ghee. put the mixture or the masala. And you can fold it how you do the usual parathas. And lock it. Just dust it. And with light hands, just roll it. I want just only this size. Now we'll keep this aside. And we'll make another one. And make another paratha. You can make it big also according to, whichever size you choose to make it. Spread a little bit of ghee. If you don't want to add ghee, you can skip this step. But paratha और घी नहीं है तो क्या बात है. Add in the masala. And roll it how you do the usual parathas. Lock it. Now with just light hands you can roll it. Just put a little bit of, if it breaks or anything. Now we start making the paratha. Now we'll make our paratha, good paratha. Now the paratha is ready. I'll make another one and show you. These are very good for tea time snacks. Even the children will like it because it is of course sweet. And jaggery, it is immunity boosting. Our parathas are ready. Now we'll plate it. Our piping hot parathas or good parathas or jaggery parathas are ready. You can have it as a tea time snack or as a dessert after your dinner. So please do try this at home. And as usual, please subscribe to my channel Rekha's Rasoi. And until we meet again with another recipe, bye bye.